of the important chapter in 7th class. Transportation. In plants and animals. Transportation in plants and animals. Transportation in plants and animals. Right. What is meant by transportation? What is meant by transportation? Anyone? What is meant by transportation? What is meant by transportation? Transportation is one of the important life process in all living organisms. Transportation is one of the important life process in all living organisms from microbes to human man. What is transportation? Transportation means passage of materials or substances from one point to another point. The passage of materials from one point to another point. The passage of substances from one place to another place is called as transportation. What are the substances? What are the materials are transported from one place to another place? Passage of substances or materials. What are the materials or substances? Materials or substances consist of three types. One is solids. Second one is liquids. And third one is gases. Solids, liquids and gaseous materials are passed from one point to another point is called as transportation. What are the solid substances? Nutrients. What are the solid substances? Nutrients means food materials. Nutrients food. Solid materials like nutrients, food. What are the liquid materials? Water, blood, and hormones. These are the liquid substances. Liquid substances like water, blood, and hormones. What are the gaseous substances? Like oxygen and these are the materials are transported from one place to another place of our body. These materials are transported from one point to another point. This process is called as transportation. Transportation process occurs in all living organisms like plants, animals, and human beings. And it is also essential in single cellular organisms. Transportation process is also occurs in single cellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, etc. So this process is essential in all living organisms from microbes to human man. Microbes నుంచి human man వరకు కూడా ఈ ప్రాసెస్ కావాలి. Why this process is essential? Why this process is essential? Why this process is required? This process is required to survive. మనం బ్రతకాలి అంటే ఇది కావాలి. Survive. This process is essential for survival. of the organisms. Survival of the organisms. This process is essential for survival of the organisms. Survival means to live. మనం బ్రతకాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీగా ఈ ప్రాసెస్ కావాలి. ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈజ్ ఎసెన్షియల్ ఫర్ సర్వైవల్ ఆఫ్ ది లివింగ్ ఆర్గానిజం. సర్వైవల్ మీన్స్ టు లివ్. మనం బ్రతకాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీగా ఈ ప్రాసెస్ కావాలి. What is meant by transportation? The passage of materials like solids, liquids, and gases from one place to another place is called as transportation. This process occurs of our body by using one of the system. This process occurs of our body by using one of the system. That system is called transport system. That system is called transport system. Transport system is essential for passage of the materials from one place to another place. One of the system helps for passage of the materials from one place to another place. In animals and human being. In animals and human being, transport system is also known as in animals and human being, transport system is also known as circularity system. Circularity system. In animals and human being, transport system is also called as circularity system. What is meant by circulation or circularity system? Circulation means passage of materials, transportation of materials, entire body. Entire body lo మొత్తం మెటీరియల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటే ఆ ప్రాసెస్ని సర్క్యులేషన్ అని చెప్తాం. సర్క్యులారిటీ సిస్టమ్. ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ సర్క్యులారిటీ సిస్టమ్. ఇన్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అండ్ మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ ద యానిమల్స్, ఇన్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అండ్ మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ ద యానిమల్స్, circularity system consists of three types, three components. In a human being and animals, circularity system consists of three components. Three components. One is heart. Second one is blood vessels. Second one is blood vessels. And third one is blood. Third one is blood. The circularity system of animals and human being consists of three types, three components. One is heart, second one is and third one is blood. First of all, discussing heart. What is heart? What is heart? Amma?
Heart is a pumping device.
Very good. Heart is a
Pumping device.
Heart is a
Pumping device.
Why heart is called pumping device? It pumps the blood to various parts of the
Body.
Heart is a pumping device. Why? Because it pumps or supplies the blood to various parts of the body. Already you know, blood is one of the liquid substance. Blood is one of the
Liquid substance.
liquid material. This blood is transported or circulated or pumps in various parts of our body through heart. Through heart. So heart is a pumping device. Heart is a pumping device. And heart is a vital organ of our body. Heart is a vital organ of our body. Vital means important organ of our body. Heart is a vital organ. Heart is a vital organ of our body. Vital means important organ of our body. What is the shape of the heart? Anyone? What is the shape of the heart? Oval shape. I am asking shape. What is the shape of the heart? What is the shape of the heart? The shape of the heart is pear-shaped structure. Pear means it is a fruit name. It is a fruit name. Heart is a pear-shaped structure. Pear is one of the fruit. One of the fruit. Means we can observe the external structure of the heart. We can observe the external structure of the heart. Looks like a triangular in shape. Triangular in shape. We can observe the external structure of the heart. It looks like a triangular in shape. అంటే ట్రయాంగులర్ షేప్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది. అందుకనే దాని స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎలా ఉందా అంటే పియర్ షేప్డ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. Heart is a pear-shaped structure. Pear is a fruit name. Pear is a fruit name, right? We can observe the external. External means outside. The outside structure of the heart appears like a triangular shape. Triangular in shape. What is the location of the heart? What is the location of the heart? Between the lungs and the slightly left side portion of the chest. Slightly left side portion of the chest. Heart is located between the lungs and the slightly left side portion of the chest cavity. Slightly left side portion of the chest cavity. Are you understood? What is the location of the heart? Heart is located between the lungs and the slightly left side portion of the chest cavity. Slightly left side portion of the chest cavity. What is the size of the heart? What is the size of the heart? Our hand fist. The size of the heart, our hand fist. మన చేతి పిడికిలు ఎంత ఉంటుందో అప్రాక్సిమేట్ గా హార్ట్ యొక్క సైజ్ కూడా అలా ఉంటుంది. What is the size of the heart? Our hand fist. Our hand fist. See, the shape of the heart is pear-shaped. It is a fruit name. What is the location of the heart? Heart is located between the lungs and the slightly left side portion of the chest cavity. What is the size of the heart? Our hand fist. Our hand fist. Next. The anterior portion. Anterior means upper. The anterior portion of the heart is anterior అంటే ఏమన్నారు upper portion. We can observe the heart upper portion. The anterior portion of the heart. Anterior అంటే upper. ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది? The anterior portion of the heart is broader. Broader. Broader means wider. Wide గా ఉంటుంది. వెడల్పు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. The anterior portion of the heart is broader and posterior portion of the heart. Posterior means down. Lower portion of the heart is narrower. Narrow means సన్నగా ఉంటుంది. Narrower and the anterior upper. The anterior portion of the heart is broader or wider. Posterior means lower. The lower portion of the heart is narrower. And it looks like a conical in shape. ఇందాక oval like structure అంది కదా అమ్మాయి, అది conical like structure. cone like structure. ఎందుకు cone like structure అని చెప్తున్నాము? The upper portion of the heart is broader and lower portion of the heart is narrower. Right? This is the external structure of the heart. This is the external structure of the heart. You know that human heart consists of how many chambers? How many chambers? Four chambers. Human heart consists of four chambers. Human heart consists of how many chambers? Four chambers. Four chambers. Upper chambers. How many? Two. Very good. Upper chambers how many? Two. The upper chambers of the heart is called. The upper two chambers of the heart is called. The upper chambers of the heart is called atria or atrium or auricles or auricles. The upper two chambers of the heart is called atria or atrium or auricles. The lower two chambers of the heart, the lower two chambers of the heart is called ventricles. The lower two chambers of the heart is called ventricles. Very important. How many chambers are present in our heart? Human heart consists of four chambers, upper chambers and lower chambers. The upper two chambers of the heart is called atria or atrium or auricles. The lower two chambers of the heart is called ventricles. The lower two chambers of the heart is called ventricles. Are you understood? Right. So total ga mana heart lo four chambers locate chesukoni unnai. Our heart mainly consists of four chambers. Once we can observe the block diagram of the human heart, just you can rough the block diagram. Totally how many chambers? Four. How many chambers? Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many chambers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just you can imagine upper chambers, lower chambers, upper two chambers, lower two chambers. Upper chambers atrium or auricles, atrium or auricles. The lower two chambers ventricles. The lower two chambers ventricles. The lower two chambers ventricles. Right? Upper two chambers, lower two chambers. Total 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is left side. This is left side. This is left side. This is right side. Left, right. Okay. Left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. See, left chambers of the heart, right chambers of the heart, left atrium and left ventricle. Right chambers, right atrium and right ventricle. Right ventricle. Anyone. Left chambers of the heart contain which blood? Oxygenated blood. Which blood? Oxygenated blood. Which blood? Oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. Which blood? Oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means left atrium and left ventricle contain oxygenated blood. Right chambers of the heart. Deoxygenated
Blood.
Deoxygenated
Blood.
which blood?
Deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated
Blood.
Deoxygenated
Blood.
Right atrium and right ventricle contain deoxygenated blood. Left atrium, left ventricle contain oxygenated blood. So we can observe in our heart contain blood. Contain blood. Left chambers of the heart contain oxygenated blood. Right chambers of the heart contain deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. Yes? Okay. Both blood is present. Both two types of blood is present in our heart. One is oxygenated blood and another one is deoxygenated blood. Rich oxygen contain blood, less oxygen contain blood. Means rich carbon dioxide contain blood, rich oxygen contain blood. We can observe two types of blood is present in our heart. Left chambers of the heart contain rich oxygen contain blood. Right chambers of the heart contain rich carbon dioxide contain blood. So oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is present in our heart. This blood is mixed or not? This blood is mixed or not?
Not mixed.
Not mixed. Very good. How? How it is possible? How it is possible? Blood is not mixed. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is not mixed. How it is possible? Amma. Partition. This girl saying partition between left chambers and right chambers. That's why the blood is not mixed. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is not being mixed because the partition between left chambers and right chambers. And one point is right. పార్టీషన్ చేసి ఉందండి, అందుకని ఒక బ్లడ్ ఆ బ్లడ్ ఈ బ్లడ్ కలవట్లేదు. ఇంకా anyone? In our heart, walls are located. Walls are located in our heart. Walls are present in our heart. These walls helps prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Walls are located in our heart. These walls helps prevent means stop, prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. And it is also helps flowing of the blood in only one way direction. Walls helps the flowing of blood in only one way direction and prevent the flowing of blood in opposite direction or backward direction. Walls are located in our heart. Walls can perform two functions. One is walls helps prevent means stop, prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and it is also helps the flowing of blood in only one way direction and prevent means stop, prevent the flowing of blood in backward or opposite direction. Actually, 4 walls are located in our heart. 4 walls are located in our heart. Mainly 2 walls. One is bicuspid valve. This is also called as mitral valve. One is bicuspid wall or mitral wall. And the second one is tricuspid wall. Tricuspid wall. There are two walls, mainly two walls can perform in the function in our heart. One is bicuspid wall and another one is tricuspid wall. Bicuspid wall is also called as mitral wall. And another one is tricuspid wall. Another one is tricuspid wall. What is the use? What is the function of bicuspid wall? అసలు bicuspid wall హార్ట్ లో ఉండి ఏం చేస్తుంది అసలు ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Bicuspid wall is located between left atrium and left ventricle. Left atrium ki left ventricle ki మధ్యలో ఎవరు ఉన్నారట? Bicuspid wall. Bicuspid wall is located between left atrium and left ventricle. ఉండి బ్లడ్ ని కలవనివ్వకుండా మిక్స్ అవనివ్వకుండా అండ్ వన్ వే డైరెక్షన్ లో ఓన్లీ వన్ వే డైరెక్షన్ లో బ్లడ్ ని ఫ్లో అవడానికి ఇది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. ఎక్కడ ప్రెసెంట్ అయి ఉంది? bicuspid wall or mitral valve is located between left atrium and left ventricle. Left atrium and left ventricle. Tricuspid valve is located between right atrium and right ventricle. Right atrium ki right ventricle ki మధ్యలో ఉంది ఎవరు? Tricus. Tricuspid valve is located between right atrium and right ventricle. This valve helps prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and it is also helpful for flowing of the blood in only one way direction. So mainly two valves can perform the function in our heart. One is bicuspid valve and another one is tricuspid valve. What is the location of bicuspid valve? Bicuspid valve is located between left atrium and left ventricle. Tricuspid valve is located between right atrium and right ventricle. These two valves helps prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and these are also helpful for flowing of the blood in only one way direction and prevents the flowing of blood in opposite direction. These two valves are helpful for prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and these valves